Gone are the days when knives were merely considered as a tool to be used in kitchen. With the advancement in time and technology, it has turned into an ultimate improvised item. So if you are amongst one of the outdoor enthusiasts and great lover of thrills, then these knives are a staple for you. One of the most popular members in the Night of Knives is the pocket knife. Even though many people think it is not safe to carry a knife around, it is still one of the most intelligent things you can do. Especially when you are talking about a pocket knife, you can get exceptional results and benefits that no other object offers. Whether it is cutting a piece of paper, opening a package, trimming clothes, or even just piecing up a fruit, a pocket knife is probably the most useful and easy thing to do. As long as you have the ideal design, model, and sharpness, having one of these is something that will help you in many ways. Small yet functional, simple but highly reliable, and comfortable but still very dangerous if needed, a pocket knife is probably among the best tools you can get, either for survival or just as a tool to carry around. This item is precious for some and necessary for others. Anyone from a military man to a contractor, a craftsman, woodworker, or even an outdoorsman can get a lot from using one of these knives. The foldable design alongside the easy-to-use handle, plus the additional tools you may encounter, increase overall usability of this item. If you are someone who's going on a camping trip, someone who usually does woodwork at home, or just a normal DIY person, having a pocket knife can be pretty useful for you. The value and exceptional benefits these knives offer are unique, so you shouldn't overlook how much you can get with one. There is probably not a better tool to bring on a camping or hiking trip than a pocket knife. You wouldn't like to bring a machete or a large survival knife that you can't eventually fit in your backpack. Instead, you want something that fits in your pockets or luggage but still be useful when it's needed. You can use one in a wild adventure for almost anything, including cutting, kindling or tinder, setting up a tent, cutting up food or slicing them, and even handling fires without burning your hand and more. Even making a fire is easier with one of these. Just make a spark with the touch of the blade with stone and that's it. Even people who are going fishing can get a lot from one of these, whether it is cutting the line after catching a big fish or removing a hook from a fish mouth, and much more. A pocket knife can be a mandatory item for any fisherman. Thanks for watching. Until next time.